Okay, so what about required field is? Required field is the simple validation from HTML. So basically, all the form validations we will write in the JavaScript, like what kind of data you need to enter. For example, mostly for passwords, some required field. The same time, some validation is there. So password should have some capital letter. Password is only length of 10 characters, and password is a combination of letters and numbers and special characters, something like that. So those kind of validations we will see in JavaScript. When I come to JavaScript, I will explain all the JavaScript validations. But these validations basically coming from HTML. See, here we are not working on CSS and JavaScript. Here we are working on a template, boilerplate template called HTML. Just try to understand HTML first. When I come to JavaScript, definitely I will go through all the JavaScript validations which are going to be using for definitely required things. Okay. So this is a simple sign-in form. Let me go for the sign-up form. Let me go for the sign-up form. And before that, what are the required fields for sign-up? Now tell me. What are the required fields for the sign-up? For sign-up, first name, last name. Okay. Phone number and email ID. And what is the username required for? And what is the password required for? And re-enter username. And re-enter password. And there is a button called sign in button. In sign up form, sign in button is there. If already registered user, he can go for sign in. Sign in button. And sign up button. And one more button is reset button. Reset form. Suppose you are entering wrong values. You want to reset the form, you can reset the form also. And there is option called file option selection, file selection. Suppose this sign up is required, Aadhaar ID or voter ID or any kind of identity card, ID proof. So they need to provide the identity proof of ID proof also for the sign up. Mostly this section is not available here. Only these kind of sections which are going to be available. First name, last name, phone number, email ID, username, re-enter username, password, re-enter password, sign in button, sign up button, reset button. Can I go for this now? Can I go for this now? Let's try to go for the sign up form. Now this time I'm working with sign up form.
Sir, when we input password, we can see temporarily we can see the password.
No, you cannot see the password. Na? Always the dots will come. Type password. The box type is password.
Sir, after typing, we need to see.
After type, you want
password
to see.
If we have typed correct or not.
See, that is basically in JavaScript. Show password kind of thing.
Okay, sir.
Show password kind of thing, you will go with the JavaScript. Okay. Okay, let me close this and let me save the file. This is sign up form. This is sign up form. Okay, where that was. Sign up form dot HTML. Sign in also I need to save in the folder. Maybe this was saved somewhere. File save as and come to the folder. This one and this is sign in form dot HTML. It's fine. Let me go for the sign up form. And here, what are the different kind of fields we want to take? One by one, we will see. Okay. So these fields are compulsory, right? I just want to copy paste all the program as usual here. Sign up form also. And okay, this H2, that is fine. And input, enter. Can I give first name here? Enter last name. This is the kind of text, not submit. So submit button, okay, fine. Then before that, input type email, placeholder, enter email ID or enter email. And this is also required. Email is compulsory. That is the reason I'm giving a required field. Yeah. Then input type gel. Gel is something like a telephone number. Placeholder, enter phone. And this is also required. Then close. Then yeah. Finally, enter username. Input. Okay. Type text. Placeholder. Enter username. What is the username you want for the signs?
So required.
Yeah, required. Required. Okay. So enter username and re-enter username. Re-enter username. Required. Now enter password. Input type password. Placeholder. Enter password. See, the more and more validations for the password later we will see. Right now not required. Okay, this is required. PR. And as usual, copy paste the complete thing. Control C, Control V. Re-enter password. Okay, so then submit is there. Input type submit and value is sign up. Sign up. This time it is sign up. And one more button I want. Sign in button. If already registered user, he can able to go for the sign in button. And one more is reset. Input type reset. And the value is reset. Reset the. Mostly these are the things enough for the sign up form. Let me try to see the output of this particular program. Open in default browser. You can see the sign up form is there, but it is not in center of the screen. Something is missing. Somewhere center is missing. Okay, let me go and see the output of the sign in form. Sign up forms. This is sign up, not sign in. Sign up form. Simple things, right? So finally, refresh it and try to click on sign up. This is sign up. This is sign up. This is sign in. That's fine. Any other changes? No changes. Let me try to click on sign up, right? When I click on sign up, it is asking me, please fill out the field. Okay. Enter, click on sign up again. It is asking me enter the second field also. By the required attribute, it is asking me this. And click on sign up again. Okay. Again, email asking. It is basically by the required field. I am trying to entering my email ID. Click on sign up. Okay. One more validation. You please enter a valid email address. Please enter. Why? Because of this is the type of email. Type of email compulsory need to have a format of the email. What is the format of the email? For example, this is the format of the email. Okay. Just I am clicking on sign up again. Still it is not allowing me. Still it is not allowing me. Please enter an email address. Okay. So I need to give a proper format for that. Click on sign up. Okay. It is asking me to take a format of the email by the type of the email. Please fill out this field. Enter the phone number, whatever the phone number you want to fill. Click on sign up. Enter username. Now come to the point. Enter username. What the username you want, you can give. Suppose I want to give the username something like this. And enter password. Enter password. Use a securely generated password, whatever it may be. Re-enter the password. So these password matches and all we will see by the JavaScript. This field and this field both are matched or not. This field and this field both are matched or not. We will check by the conditions. After JavaScript, I will show all these things. When I come to the JavaScript, I will show all these things. These two matched or not. If these two not matched, it will not go forward for the password. If these two text not matched, it will not move to the password field. So those kind of validations I will show in the JavaScript case. Okay, now sign up is possible, sir. You can do the sign up. I want to make it reset. You can go for the reset. Reset is what? The complete entered values will be removed. The complete entered values will be removed by the reset option. By clicking on reset option. Is it clear? Any questions on this? Is this clear? Any questions on this? By clicking on reset option, you can able to reset all the values what we entered before. See some kind of sign up forms and registration forms. Reset option is available for you. What reset option is? All the values will be removed from the boxes. Still any questions are there on this sign up? Esban, Kaushik, Pavan, Raswal, Ritesh, Ruchik. Any questions on this?
No, sir.
No. Right.
Sir, in
So,
type tell, is there any limitation for the number of
no, not like that. There is no limitation here in the tell. Here in the tell, there is no limitation. But JavaScript, from JavaScript, we can give the limitations or +9 something like that. So all these kind of validations from JavaScript only we need to provide. HTML is not that much bigger validation provider.
Okay.
Simple validations you can able to follow by the HTML. But the proper validations, if you want to work with the forms, you definitely need to work on JavaScript. Clear?
All right, sir.
Right. So let me go to the one more thing. Okay, sign in is over. Sign up is over. Third one is registration form. Okay. Let's go for the registration form, some course registration kind of thing. Okay, what are the different fields required for registration? These things are required. Huh? For example, course registration form. You are actually looking for course. Registration form for course join. Okay. You are registering for course join. What are the fields they will ask?
Education.
Okay, education details. Right, exactly. Education. And year of pass out. Any other thing? Gender. Choose course. Choose course. And give your address. See, if some websites will take a address, and some people will take ID card, ID proof selection. Any other kind of things? Register directly. Register here. Any other kind of things?
Reset.
Yeah, reset is as usual. You can go for reset. It is option basically. First name, last name.
I agree checkbox.
Checkboxes, yes. Agree checkbox. No. Agree checkbox. Terms and conditions. Not
Terms and conditions. Terms and
Yeah,
conditions.
terms and
checkbox.
conditions. You can specify terms and conditions if you want. Terms and conditions checkbox. So first name, last name, phone, email ID, and education details, year of pass out, gender, choose course, address, ID proof selection, register here, reset the form, terms and conditions checkbox, whatever you want. Okay, these are the different kind of fields. See, I'm just imagining, but you can go for the different kind of forms. You can do practice with the different kind of forms. So by the class, I'm going to be explaining with you something. But when you are doing practice, you can follow with the different kind of forms by the website, by the Google. You can just search for sample forms, HTML code, something like that. By that, you can do practice more and more examples on this. In forms itself, you can do practice at least 30 applications, 30 to 40 applications. By doing some research, by doing some R&D, by searching in Google, by browsing the internet, you can by browsing the YouTube, you can try to work out a number of kind of examples from that. Okay, let me try to explore the registration form now. Open the new, yes, and save it as registration, course registration form. I'm giving 3 examples for you, but you do practice more and more examples. At least 30 to 40 examples you have to do practice on forms. From HTML, not I'm telling about JavaScript. Only from HTML, you have to practice at least 30 kind of forms, 30 different kind of forms. Movie ticket booking, flight booking, bus booking. See, food order, if you want to order food. There are multiple kind of forms you can able to work on. When you are exploring many number of things, the work is easy in the real time for you. Okay, so I'm just going with smaller examples like sign in, sign up, course registration. Yes, and now let me try to explore the thing. And this is course registration form. Most of the values from the sign up. Let me copy the complete thing here. Whatever the required things I'll keep. Otherwise, I'll remove it. Okay, so everything is good, but here the form name is what? Registration. See, what are the modifications I'm doing? Just follow and observe. First name, last name, email, phone number, as usual required, but these fields are not required. Username, password, all this. And here sign in, sign up, all these things are not required. Directly you can go for register. Value is registered. Okay, so let's have other things. First name is there, last name is there, email is there, phone number is there. Let's go for gender selection. Input type radio, input type radio, value male, gender value male enough. Okay. And here this is for male. Selection of male. Sorry, what happened? Okay. So one thing is male, and one other thing is female. Name is another attribute here we need to specify. Name, gender. Okay. Female others. This will be female option. This will be female option. Let me give the female option also. Male, female, others. Okay, so here value is female. Value will be different thing. So here value will be female. Here the value will be others. And here name actually same value you need to provide. Don't give different names here. Name should be common. I will show if I am giving, suppose name is male, and here also name is female, and here also name is others. I will show the what is the problem with this name is others. Okay, let me explore this. Whatever the things we written till now, I just want to show on top of the browser. Open browser. Okay, you can see something. You can see something from the registration form. First name is there, last name is there, email is there, phone number is there, and male, female, others, 3 options, 3 checkboxes, sorry, 3 radio buttons are there. And after radio buttons, better you can take a break, otherwise it is clumsy. Let me take a break one more time. After this, inputs, radio buttons. Okay, now it will show a very good look, feel good form. Okay, now you can see first name is there, last name is there, email is there, phone number is there. Now let's move to the checkboxes. Sorry, radio buttons. I am selecting male. I am selecting male. And I am selecting female also. And I am selecting others also. Is this possible? Huh?
No, sir.
Can I select all the radio buttons here? Can I select for gender section? Can I select male, female, others, both or 3? This is not possible, right? So in option called radio option, any one of the field you have to select. If one field is getting selected, for example, if I am selecting male, automatically female and others will not select. If I select female, male and others will not select. If I select others, male and female will not select. In this case, what we need to do is a simple validation. Not a validation, this is a kind of thing. Name should be common. Value is okay. Value male, value female, value other. That need to submit to the server. Value is always submitting to the server. That is the thing. We do not change the value option, but we need to change the name. Name should be common for all the things. Let me give the name same gender for male, female, others. Now you can see after giving the same name called gender, now you can see the output. What is the better output you can see now? Refresh the form. Okay, now select male. Now select female. What is happening? Now select others. What is happening? Male and female unselected. If I select male, female, others unselected. If I select female, male and others unselected. Okay, now radio button section is over. Radio button section is good. By giving the common validation. This is common validation you have to specify for the radio buttons. Is there any question on this? Is there any question on this? The common name we need to provide. The different value we need to provide for the radio section. Radio section is basically option section. You have to select an option. The option could be a male or female or others. Is it clear? Having any questions on this? See, don't confuse. We know already input type text. We know already input type email. We know already input type tell. But there is a new concept, a new input type came into the picture in the registration form. What is the new input type is? Radio. What a radio is? Option selection. Either a male, either a female, either others. Can I go forward? Choose course.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let me go. So choose course. For example, people will select something like full stack. Input type checkbox. This time it is checkbox, and value is fs. Enough. This is first course. Okay, let me go for the one more course. There are multiple courses people can able to select and people can able to follow and people can able to learn also. Okay, let me go with data science. And this is DS. Let me go for the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. And here input type checkbox value AI. Okay, so let me go and refresh the browser. Let me go and refresh browser. Can you see? Choose courses. We have 3 courses, but after the gender section, I want to take a good break. Here I'm taking a break. Okay, so let me give a break also. This break you can give here also. Now you can refresh. Yeah. I'll be having another section called full stack data science and artificial intelligence. Then people can able to select the choose courses also. Okay, for example, Praswell want to learn full stack and data science. He can able to select both things. He can able to select both things. He can able to select full stack data science. Okay. For example, Pavan want to learn full stack data science and AI also. So he can able to select multiple things here. So this is basically select option. Select option is multiple option you can able to select with. Previous one is a single option. Checkboxes are multiple options you can able to select. Got my point? So Pavan registering into the website as a male and he want to learn all the 3 courses and he is going to be choosing full stack data science and AI. Is it clear? He can able to go with the multiple things. This is about checkboxes. Is there any confusion here? Register. There is one register button is available and reset button is available. Let me go for the 2 more inputs. Input file, type file. One more input. Input type checkbox. And this checkbox for agree. Prompts. And finally, I need to go for the register. This one. Cut here. Register button is always at the down or bottom. Register is always bottom. Okay, here a good break is available. Take a break here also. And these 2 okay. And here you take a break. Now you can see the output of the site. Okay. We are acceptor. Acceptor. See, this page is not looks really good. Why? Because of we don't have CSS right now. We are having just HTML. When we give CSS, it is basically beautiful. Now, So here reset is working or not. Let me click on register here. Yeah, this thing is working fine. See, email ID and phone number, and click on register. Now it will register basically, and reset option also work. And browse, what is the browse here? I can able to select any kind of file here. For example, I am selecting this one, some Aadhaar card. Okay, so browse option is working fine. That is a kind of input type file. Input type file. That is enough. Okay, value ID. So value is important basically. Finally, you can able to observe how the things are going to be happening here. Simple course registration form. Is there any questions on this? In registration form, any questions on this? Please respond, sir.
Sir, in the terms and conditions section, we'll have to add required.
Terms and conditions required is not required. Terms and conditions, basically we need to write JavaScript.
Okay.
That select box,
So
that checkbox.
if you register now, if he has not agreed to the terms and condition, if you register now, it will accept the data. Okay.
We need to write a JavaScript code for that. Conditions.
Okay. So the required will not work with terms and conditions, sir?
No, required is just HTML validation. Required will not work for that. Required is only working for type text, type password, type email, type number. Required is not available for
not
other kind of thing. Other kind of
not for checkbox and
not for
radio.
checkboxes, not for radio buttons.
Okay. Okay.
Not for submit, not for button kind of things. Everything is clear. So I want to give some assignment for today. Yeah, I will upload all the recorded sessions and notes in the drive. Okay, for your email IDs. By evening, you can check your email IDs. So what drive I got shared with you. You can check, follow the recorded sessions. You can follow the notes, each and everything. And one more thing I want to tell you. Let me give some assignments for today. Assignment 1. Create a flight booking application, flight booking form. Create a movie booking. Try. Okay, movie booking is different basically. Try to create a movie booking form. And one more thing is create a Aadhaar filling form. Aadhaar details. If you want to go with the Aadhaar details filling form, Aadhaar. Try to create Aadhaar. And try to that's enough. Okay, these 3 forms you can go follow, or I can give you some images. Templates. Flight booking. Don't go for examples. Go for images. Okay, this kind of form you have to create with, or this kind of form you have to create with. Can you see and observe? Can you see and observe? Just search in Google flight booking form, and you can find some images here. Whatever the images you can able to see here, that kind of source code you need to write from. See, personal details, trip information, travelers details, something like this. Is this clear? flight booking form, and one more thing is movie ticket booking form. You try to explore it, huh? Movie ticket booking form. It's very simple. Try to create it. See, by doing the practice only you can able to understand. Otherwise, it will be complicated for you. This is the only typical part of HTML. In HTML, people have to understand more and more forms. Remaining all very, very simple. Only you need to give the lot of effort on forms. And tomorrow I will go through the forms in a beautiful way. And one more section tomorrow, tables also. Tomorrow we will go through the tables. And tomorrow I'm closing HTML. Day after tomorrow means tomorrow is Wednesday. So Friday I'm starting CSS. Friday I'm starting CSS, and mostly tomorrow only we are starting CSS. Okay. Or day after tomorrow we will start CSS. Tomorrow I'll close this basic HTML and all. Advanced HTML also we will go through after JavaScript. Is there any other questions so far?